How to create a YouTube playlist. Go to YouTube and sign into your account. In the top right corner of the page, click on your profile picture and select My Channel from the drop-down menu. On the left side of the page, click on the Playlists option. Click on the New Playlist button. Type in a name for your playlist and add a description if desired. Select the privacy setting for your playlist. You can choose to make it public, unlisted, or private. Click on the Create button. To add videos to your playlist, search for a video or go to a video page and click on the Add to option under the video. Select your playlist from the drop-down menu and click Add. Repeat this process to add more videos to your playlist. To reorder or remove videos from your playlist, hover over the video and click on the three dots on the right. From there, you can choose to move the video up or down in the playlist or remove it. To edit your playlist details, click on the three dots on the right of the playlist name and select Edit. From there, you can change the name, description, or privacy settings. When you are finished, click on the Save button to apply your changes.